Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I miss this. I've been away for like what, a month? Parang I haven't uploaded anything since February 4 if I'm not mistaken. And the reason why is Shopee. No joke, just kidding. And the reason why is nag-flare up yung seborrheic dermatitis ko. If you are not familiar with seborrheic dermatitis, it is a common disorder. It is a common skin condition which mainly affects the scalp. But in my case, it's not just the typical, dandruff. It is some kind of a severe type of seborrheic dermatitis which also affects my face, my neck, my chest, like everywhere, name it. Kung saan niya gusto mag-appear, mag-a-appear talaga siya. So, grabe yung struggle ko talaga to find the, perfect or the right products to treat my SD. Let's call it SD na lang, guys. So, just a quick guide on how to treat your SD. Kasi baka may mga viewers ako na nagsasuffer din from this skin condition. So, I'll be sharing with you the products that I use to treat my SD. Yeah, it's not curable, but you can always control and treat your symptoms. So the very first product that I have here is this Cetaphil Pro Eddy Derma Skin Restoration Moisturizer. Kasi pag nag-dry yung skin ko, tapos pag may mga scaly patches, na gagamot niya. And also, pag very itchy yung skin mo. And may body wash rin ako na Cetaphil Pro Eddy Derma na ginagamit ko to wash my, my face and for my body. But apart from this, I also have this. This is aerosol or aerosol. I don't know how to pronounce it. Basta it is a biosulfur soap for oily, acne-prone skin, for fungal infection, and other skin condition. This is available sa lahat ng Mercury, Watsons, Rose Pharmacy. Yan. So, the next product, guys, is Physiogel. It's a Calming Relief AI Cream for dry, itchy, sensitive skin. And ito yung ginagamit ko sa face ko pag medyo nagiging itchy siya or what, medyo nagiging dry siya. This is what I use as my moisturizer. And it's super effective naman siya. And pag nagiging super inflamed na siya, super itchy, na grabe na yung discomfort na nafe-feel ko, this is what I use naman. This is what I apply. So this is Hexacort. It's a hydrocortisone cream. And it's corticosteroid. So it's not advisable na gamitin siya everyday. Doon nyo lang siya gagamitin pag talagang grabe na yung inflammation and itchiness. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. Kasi alam ko, may mga nagsisearch din na Filipino sa YouTube kung paano ma-treat yung seborrheic dermatitis nila. Kasi ganun din ako before nagsisearch ako. Pero kukunti lang yung Filipino na nag-share or nag-upload ng video about seborrheic dermatitis. Marami yung mga Americans. Kaso, most of the products na ginagamit nila hindi naman available dito sa atin. At least itong mga products na shinare ko, available siya sa Watsons, sa Mercury Drug, sa Rose Pharmacy. And kung may mahahanap rin kayo sa drugstore dito sa Philippines na Subclear Cream, grabe, napaka-effective niya pag super itchy yung skin nyo. Kasi ang seborrheic dermatitis parang eczema rin siya or psoriasis na mas nagiging itchy siya pag gabi. Di ko alam bakit ganun. Parang ayaw ka niyang patulugin kasi grabe dun talaga pati mga folliculitis mo. Kasi pag nasusobrahan ka ng hydrocortisone, ayun, nagkaka-folliculitis ka, napaka-itchy rin nun. So, kaya, advisable talaga na gumamit ka ng Pro Eddy Derma na lotion from Cetaphil. So, that's it, guys. The main reason talaga why I decided to film a video today is because I got a package from Power Map. Yeah. And I'm super duper excited to share what's inside with you guys. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. So I have here the box. This was delivered by Light Express and And the reason why I bought this is because na-convince ako sa option nila na buy now, pay later. And that only applies to BDO and HSBC credit card holders. So, parang that's one of the perks if you're a BDO card holder or HSBC card holder. Kasi yung ibang bank, like Metro Bank or other banks, yung ino-offer lang ng Power Mac is one-time payment. So, wala. Ayoko naman mag one-time payment. Kung pwede naman buy now, pay later, diba? So, dun na tayo sa buy now, pay later. And another reason why nag-decide ako na mag-upgrade kasi itong old phone ko, this is the iPhone XS Max. Napakaliit ng storage niya, like 64 gig lang to. And hindi ako masyado makapag-edit kasi yung ginagamit ko lang is phone for my videos, for my YouTube videos. I know, very limited lang yung magagawa sa phone. At saka hindi ako sanay sa laptop. Parang hindi nga ako marunong gumamit ng laptop, to be honest, guys. Parang ang bobo ko when it comes to laptop. So, siguro kung bibili man ako ng pang-edit talaga is iPad lang or iPad Air, ganon. Pero laptop, I don't think so. Well, hindi ako magsasalita patapos. Baka in the future, but hindi talaga ako mako-convince to buy a laptop. Kasi parang ang mahal ng laptop, tapos ang mahal pa ng phone, diba? If you buy both, diba? I think that would be 100 plus thousand pesos, diba? Parang hindi ko siya carry. Dun lang muna tayo sa kaya ng powers natin, diba? So, let me just unbox this. Last year, hindi ako nag-upgrade kasi I feel like hindi ko pa siya need at that time. Eh ngayon, parang need ko na talaga mag-upgrade because of the storage talaga. Minsan hindi ako nakakapag-edit or hindi ako nakakapag-upload ng video kasi hindi nga ako makapag-edit. Ang dami kong videos na pending, guys. Kasi hindi ako nakakapag-edit. Plus, K-drama is life. So, may mga K-drama files ako, like, may ma-downloaded ako na drama sa Netflix or sa View. Tapos, hindi ko naman ma-delete kasi wala, nag-enjoy rin ako manood ng K-drama. Like, marami akong pinapanood ngayon, like Penthouse Season 2, Alice, there's Beyond Evil, Vincenzo, tapos yung ano ba yun, yung The Myth ba yun? Basta madami akong pinagsasabay-sabay ngayon. So, here it is, guys. Ayan. Tada! May kasama pa siyang paper bag. Power Mac, center paper. And then, here's the receipt from Power Mac. And here's the phone. Oh my gosh. Ang liit ng box, no? I was convinced rin to buy this because this has, you know, better features compared to the iPhone 11 series last year. And obviously, they came up with better features that, you know, I don't get to experience with my XS Max. So, yeah. So, mag-ASMR muna tayo, guys, ha? Ta-da! So nice. Paano ba ito buksan? Guys, please excuse my nails, ha? Mahaba na nails ko eh. Ta-da! So nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. I chose the Pacific Blue, guys, kasi parate na lang akong gold na iPhone. So, para maiba naman. Although, gusto ko rin yung gold version nila this year. Kasi grabe yung sides nun. Like, dito sa sides, grabe mukhang mirror na siya. But, wala. Gusto ko bago lahat. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Like, I'm not a fan of blue, but this, you know, particular one, grabe. I love it. It's super luxe. It's super chic. there, guys. Oh my gosh. Super love it. Ta-da! I super love the, yung grip niya. Grip pa tawag doon. Kasi iba na siya, hindi na siya round edges. Parang square na siya. Same with the iPhone 5 series. The reason also why I chose the Pro, not the Pro Max, because yung Pro Max, mas malaki pa siya sa 10S Max. Ito, nalalaki na ako, nabibigatan. So, sabi ko, dun na lang tayo sa Pro. Kasi yung Pro, although mas maliit siya, but hindi naman ganun kalaki yung difference. Ayan o. This one 6.1 and this one is 6.4 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So it's not much of a difference. And I also love that yung back part niya is matte, so it's not really prone to fingerprints. Parang fingerprint proof siya. Kasi ito, grabe yung fingerprints dito. Like, very visible talaga. I don't know if nakikita nyo. Although maganda rin siya because it's glass, it's glossy, but I don't know, I prefer this one. Grabe yung feels niya. Same feels talaga siya sa iPhone 5, iPhone SE, iPhone 5S. So guys, I forgot to show you what's inside the box. Ayan, medyo na-disappoint lang ako kasi wala na siyang adapter na kasama and earphone. Yung meron na lang is this, what do you call this? Cord na Type-C and Lightning. And hindi na rin siya USB. So, wala, bibili ka ng panibagong adapter, bibili ka ng panibagong power bank kasi hindi na to pwede sa power bank ko. Grabe ka, Apple. Grabe. Diba? Hindi na siya nakontento sa price nito. Gusto niya mabudol ka pa. I also got myself a leather case for the iPhone 12 Pro. This one. I bought this from Spigen, from their official Lazmall account. I will link it in the description box, guys. They also have other cases for, you know, iPhones, for Samsung. So let me just put this phone. So guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-transfer ng files ko from my XS Max to my new iPhone 12 Pro. And I'm super happy talaga, guys, with this phone. Look, I love the combination of the saddle brown and the Pacific blue. Super locks tingnan. Actually, there is a case from Louis Vuitton that I really want. Kaso, 22,000 siya. Para makakabili ka na ng another phone. And then, na-realize ko din na paano pag mag-upgrade ulit ako, aanin ko na yung case, diba? So, parang I'd rather get na lang a small leather good like a belt or a bag na mas magagamit ko for a very long time. So, ayun lang guys. That's it for today's short video. I hope you enjoyed this magulong unboxing. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again on my next one. God bless you all. Bye!